Here I have ZTE Blade V10 Vita, and today I'm going to show you how you can speed up this device. So you have a pre-installed application Superb Cleaner on your ZTE Blade. You have to open this application, then tap Start, then allow all permissions for it. And firstly you can go to junk files. It will scan it for your device for junk files, then you tap here to clean them, and this will definitely speed up your device. And what you can do in this device, you can do this memory boost, then tap continue, then you have to allow usage access to this application. Then tap here, then tap boost. Then you have to use this service here. And it boosted 95 apps, which will definitely speed up work of your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.